Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Hold Alt and drag the text down to duplicate it. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Position, Isometric Top. Extrude Depth, 100. Surface, no shading. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Make the text transparent and the stroke the same color as the text. I use a stroke weight of 1. And I align the stroke to the inside. Select the other text. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Position, Isometric Top. Extrude Depth, 0. Surface, no shading. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Place the text on top of the other text. Select both the texts to resize and move them. Only select the text with the stroke now. Select the Shape Builder. You can now connect the parts of the text that should be connected. And that's how you create this text effect.